This video contains affiliate links and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned, at no extra cost to you, because they're the best in the industry. Did you know that the global vending machine market is projected to reach $25 billion by 2025? That's a significant increase, reflecting the growing demand and innovation in this industry. Welcome back to our channel. If you've ever considered starting your own business with relatively low overhead and the potential for passive income, the vending machine industry might be the perfect avenue. Today, we're diving into the 10 best and most viral vending machine business ideas to start in 2025. Let's explore how you can tap into this thriving market. Before we dive into the video, let me introduce you to BZ, a professional formation service company that specializes in helping you file your LLC or corporation. BZ is an amazing company that simplifies the entire process of creating your LLC. They even offer a service where they'll file your LLC on your behalf, saving you from all the hassle. A full review of BZ is available in the description box below, and their website is linked in the first comment. Make sure to check them out. Starting a business is exciting, but let's be real. Most people struggle with knowing exactly where to start. Before we delve into these exciting ideas, it's essential to address some common misconceptions and challenges that new entrepreneurs often face in the vending machine business. Many believe that vending machines are outdated or limited to snacks and drinks. Finding the right location and selecting products that meet current consumer demands can be challenging. Assuming that vending machines require minimal maintenance and oversight is a misconception. Understanding these points is crucial for setting realistic expectations and strategies. Now let's explore the top 10 vending machine business ideas that are making waves in 2025. First, pizza vending machines. Imagine getting a freshly baked pizza at any time of the day. Companies like Pizza Forno are leading the way by installing 24/7 pizza vending machines. In Michigan, they're planning to place 40 units by 2026, offering 12-inch pies ranging from $10 to $13. Each machine can store and bake up to 70 pizzas, providing a hot meal at the push of a button. Second is healthy snack and beverage machines. With a growing emphasis on health and wellness, vending machines stocked with organic, gluten-free, or low-sugar snacks and beverages are in high demand. These machines cater to health-conscious consumers seeking convenient options. Number 3, reverse vending machines. Sustainability is more than a trend, it's a necessity. RVMs allow users to recycle bottles and cans in exchange for rewards or cash. For instance, Ireland's deposit return scheme saw over 1 billion drink containers returned in 1 year, highlighting the effectiveness of such initiatives. Then, personal protective equipment, PPE, vending machines. The pandemic has heightened awareness about health safety. Vending machines dispensing masks, hand sanitizers, and gloves have become essential in public spaces, ensuring accessibility to PPE. Next is gourmet coffee and specialty beverage machines. Coffee aficionados crave quality and convenience. Machines offering barista-quality coffee, matcha, or bubble tea are gaining popularity, especially in corporate settings and transit hubs. Number 6, tech accessory vending machines. Forgot your charger or need headphones on the go? Vending machines stocked with tech accessories provide quick solutions for travelers and commuters. Then number 7, art and craft supply vending machines. Catering to creatives, these machines offer art supplies like paints, brushes, and sketch pads, making art more accessible in urban areas. 8, fresh farm produce machines. Bridging the gap between farmers and consumers, these machines provide fresh produce like eggs, milk, and vegetables, supporting local agriculture. Number 9, pharmaceutical vending machines. Access to over-the-counter medications and health essentials becomes hassle-free with these machines, especially in areas lacking 24-hour pharmacies. Lastly, number 10, customized merchandise vending machines. Brands are enhancing customer engagement by offering customizable products through vending machines, from printed t-shirts to personalized phone cases. Embarking on a vending machine venture isn't just about buying a machine and placing it somewhere. Careful planning is the key to long-term success. Number 1, selecting the right location, the ultimate game changer. Not all locations are equal. The success of your vending machine depends 80% on its location and 20% on the products inside. Here's how to pick the best spots. High foot traffic areas, shopping malls, airports, universities, hospitals, office buildings, and gyms ensure consistent sales. Analyze consumer behavior. If you place a healthy snack machine near a gym or a tech accessories machine in an airport, your sales will skyrocket. Negotiate with property owners. Offer a commission-based deal, for example, 10 to 15% of profits, instead of a high upfront rental fee to reduce risks. Number 2, choosing profitable and trending products. Your product selection should match the location and meet current consumer demands. The vending industry in 2025 is moving beyond just snacks and sodas. Consider healthy and organic snacks. People are looking for gluten-free, keto-friendly, and organic options. Tech accessories. Charging cables, power banks, and earbuds sell fast in airports and transit hubs. Luxury coffee and bubble tea, barista-quality coffee machines are booming in corporate offices and train stations. Reverse vending, recycling machines. Consumers earn rewards for recycling, making this a highly attractive business model. Then, number 3, understanding the initial investment and costs. Your startup budget depends on the type of vending machine you choose. Here's a breakdown. An average basic snack machine will cost between $2,500 and $5,000, with the potential to make between $500 and $1,500 each month. With a possible monthly income of $1,000 to $3,000, healthy food vending will cost between $4,000 and $8,000. Pizza and beverage machines can earn between $5,000 and $12,000 a month, but they will cost between $15,000 and $40,000. A pro tip: if you're on a budget, consider buying used machines, starting at $1,500, or using vending machine franchise programs that offer financing options. Consider the story of Brandon Schlichter from Ohio. He invested $1,400 in 2 vending machines, one for soda and one for snacks. By sourcing soda at 50 cents per can and selling it for $1, he managed to generate approximately $900 monthly from just one machine. This venture is part of his diverse portfolio, including arcade machines and laundromats, demonstrating the potential of vending machines as a lucrative side hustle. A pivotal factor in safeguarding and legitimizing your vending machine business is forming a limited liability company, or LLC. The advantages include liability protection. Separating personal assets from business liabilities shields you from potential risks. Tax benefits. An LLC can offer flexible tax options, potentially reducing your overall tax burden. Credibility. Operating as an LLC enhances your business's professionalism, attracting more opportunities. One of the best ways to do this is by forming an LLC, or limited liability company. An LLC not only legitimizes your operations, but also protects your personal assets. Busy is one of the best LLC formation services on the market today. Be sure to check out the full review of Busy in the description box and pinned comment below. The vending machine industry in 2025 presents diverse and profitable opportunities. By selecting the right niche, securing prime locations, and implementing smart business strategies, like forming an LLC, you can build a successful, scalable vending empire. Now, I want to hear from you. Which vending machine idea excites you the most? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more entrepreneurial insights. And if you're serious about launching your vending machine business, check out my next video on how to start with minimal investment and scale fast.